What up? This video, you see the chart. We're doing Chainlink, and on this channel we go over technical analysis, passive income opportunities, everything crypto. So if there's something that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Quick disclaimer though, this is not investment advice, this is not financial advice. This is just what I see. Do your own research, do your own analysis, right? So let's go. On the daily, we see we had this, okay? If you watch my last video, you see I mentioned my video from yesterday. You see I mentioned that we needed for price to break this level of support, and then if it does, then we could be coming to the next support area or support zone right here. So we got the first criteria, which is prices strongly break below this area. So now I would say that you would see or pay attention to this wick, right? This wick is just about half the size of the candle. So that means a good amount of bulls pushed price from this level, right? And that don't necessarily mean price is bullish, but it means that we could have a high, basically the probability of us retracing is higher, okay, or at least a decent one, like into here or something, okay. But let's go on the 4 hour and see how this is happening, this is forming. What I'm seeing is support kind of is found. Basically, I know it was found on, if this how it looks on the 4 hour, on the 50-minute, 30-minute, yeah, support was found, okay. So we broke below the most recent lower low, right? Or the most recent higher low, sorry, like right here. And we broke below the one before that as well. So I think it's safe to say the structure has been broken. So all we need to see now is to say that price has transitioned to a downtrend would be a new lower low form, right? Now the question is, when and where will that be forming, right? And we don't know. We just have to track price and see where resistance is found, right? It could be here off of recently broken structure. It could come in a bit deeper, which is what I would prefer to see. Like something in here maybe, right? Simply because when it's a deeper retracement, I have more confidence in taking this sell, because shallow retracements, they tend to fake you out. They tend to do something like this, you know, and to have a deeper retracement, and then price continue down, right? And those are annoying. So that's why I like to go for the deeper retracements. I have more confidence in taking those setups, just from my experience. But yeah, now that's what it would have to happen. For sales, we want to wait for price to find resistance, and it gives us an entry reason to the downside. That could be up here, that could be right here, that could be right here. Just wait for your signals that price has found resistance, okay? Now, what would have to occur to get into a buy? Honestly, a lot. But it would be like price coming up here, finding resistance, creating a higher low, right? So by seeing a higher low form, I would say that you could take a counter trend trade to about at least right here, to say like a double top. That could be your first take profit. You could take about 70% of the profit and then just let the rest ride to the next resistance found, right? But and if you see that just the bulls has can continuing, and the bulls are has a strong momentum, then maybe that could transition to furthering up the bulls, okay, or the bullish uptrend. So yeah, so basically my analysis for this is continuation of bears, but I'm always prepared for the opposite occurring, and what I would need to see to take the buy to the upper side or the next direction. That's the video. See you guys tomorrow.